Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered how to dominate in Brawl Stars on a bigger screen? Playing on PC offers incredible advantages, like a much larger display for clearer visuals and more engaging gameplay. You'll also experience smoother performance, which is perfect for those intense brawls. Plus, using a keyboard and mouse can give you a real edge in competitive matches. It truly elevates your gaming experience. Since Brawl Stars is natively a mobile game, there isn't an official PC version. The secret to playing it on your computer lies with Android emulators. These clever software programs create a virtual Android device right on your PC. They allow you to download and run mobile apps, including Brawl Stars, just as if you were using a phone or tablet. It's a straightforward and effective solution. For a smooth Brawl Stars experience in 2025, choosing the right emulator is crucial. Popular and reliable choices often include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player. Each one offers robust features, good performance, and solid compatibility with most Android games. We recommend exploring them to find one that best fits your computer's specifications and personal preferences. They are constantly being updated for better performance. Getting set up is quite simple. First, download your preferred emulator from its official website to ensure you get the legitimate version. Install it just like any other program on your computer. Once installed, launch the emulator and sign in with your Google account, which is essential for accessing the Play Store. From there, simply search for Brawl Stars in the Play Store and install it. You'll be ready to brawl in no time. To get the best out of your PC Brawl Stars experience, remember to optimize your emulator settings. Tweak the performance and graphics options to match your computer's capabilities for smooth gameplay. Also, customize your keyboard and mouse controls. This makes a huge difference in combat. Always download emulators from their official websites to ensure security. With these tips, you're all set for an amazing time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.